What's up, Guru Gang? It's your girl, the Natural Guru here, back with another video. And today I'm going to show y'all how I achieve my twist out. So if you want to see it, please like, comment, subscribe, and keep on watching. So y'all know I'm going to start off with my Manuka Honey Leave-In Milk. I love this product. It makes my hair very moisturized and hydrated. But the cost is about $15 for that bottle. So it's really not adding up, if you get what I mean. So I'm definitely not going to continuously purchase this. I'm going to use it sparingly, but you really don't need a lot to get the job done. So I'm making sure this product is in my hair and infused in my hair in every layer so I can get the fullest hydration. So then I'm going to go in with my favorite product, this Aunt Jackie's Flawless Pattern Perfecting Pudding. This has been my holy grail for the past 2 years or so. And I really can't believe why I didn't get on this sooner. It gives like a minty, fresh thing to your scalp. So the Design Essentials Twist and Setting Lotion is a new product I just bought. I just wanted to try it out to see how it would impact and hydrate or, influence my twist out. The product gave like real setting lotion feeling. Again, I don't really know if it did the best for my twist out, but it was definitely causing my hair to be a little more tough to work with, if you get what I'm saying. So having these other products, especially this oil, kind of loosened the sticky feeling from the setting and twist lotion. So y'all already know I also go in with that Carol's Daughter Twist Moisture Butter. That is my favorite twisting butter. It just gives you what you need. It's not too strong. It's very thick, and it works for my thick hair. And then I go in with that Now Lock It In coconut oil. Y'all seen this before in my previous videos. If not, I have this for a couple of months or maybe up to a year now. It's a really good hydrating lotion. It definitely locks in all those products I just added to my hair. So now I'm going to go in and make sure everything is detangled. Every strand has gotten dosage of each product I've added to my hair, and I'm going to clip that up. And somehow the clip dropped from my hand. But we are about to start in and get to twisting. But we have to oil our scalp because who likes a dry and itchy hurting scalp? I do not. So this Main Choice oil is definitely one of my favorites. The other one I used was in the previous video before I dyed my hair black, and it was definitely a great product. So all of Main Choice oils are just great. So let's start with this twist out. I'm going to start in the back. Now that I have fully detangled and added all the product, I should not need to add a lot of water to my hair in case it does dry up. But I'm just going to part in small, medium sections. I want this twist out to last and to be more defined as the days go on. I do wear my hair in twists for about a week, and then the next week I take them down if I'm feeling like it or if I'm going somewhere, and then I make sure I pick out the roots, of course. So we're going to go in with this detangling brush. I did not mention that I got this brush from the Breeze Supply. It was about $12, the best $12 I ever spent. The best $12 I ever spent, okay? So if y'all have this in y'all Breeze Supply, it's better than my Demon brush, okay? Because I don't even use that thing anymore. So I love this one, and I don't even use my detangling comb anymore. So I mean, it just replaced both of those things, and it's only $12. So if you see this, please get it. So I'm just showing y'all how to find my curls worth from that detangling brush, and we're about to start on the first twist. So I'm going to go fast these first couple of times, and then when the how-to part comes on, I will be back to talk and discuss with y'all even more.
where'd you go? Girl, you know how I've been living without you. Daydreaming on a cloud with you like horizon. With you tonight is on an island. Yeah. It's about time for waking up. Told you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. I was just in love with you. So I confess, I want you. Can I tell you something for what it's worth? If you had this place on land, take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. If you had this place on land, take you there, take you there, take you there. Won't you fill me up till my cups?
So let's get into it. How to do a twist. First, make sure you detangle your section that you are twisting very well. Now you're going to divide it into 2 separate pieces and make sure it's divided fully so there's no tangles. So I did divide mine twice because it was more hair on this side than the other side. So now you're going to take your right side of the strand and cross it over the left side of the strand. And I'm going to show y'all how that looks like when it's crossed over. So once that's crossed over, as such, you're going to keep doing the same thing over again, crossing the right over the left strand. So you keep doing that until you go down the entire hair strand. And if you come across some tangles or you feel like your hair is being a little bit getting a little rough at the ends, do not hesitate to grab a comb and comb out through that. Like I said, I put the comb down because I know I was going to need it again just in case, especially that setting lotion kind of had a little weird effect on my hair. So it's always good to have a brush or a comb nearby in case your hair is dry at the ends. This is the last twist. I hope y'all enjoy the final look. I usually wear my twists weeks upon weeks, but this time I only wore it for a week. So the next video is definitely going to be a how-to on the 3-strand twist out, and I hope y'all enjoy that video too. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I love y'all, Guru Gang, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye!